Hi y'all, Renee here. I am here today with a Twisted Sisters vlog hop. Um, I am really excited to show you what I made. I have never done anything like this before. This is actually a canvas, really inexpensive, that you can get. I got mine at Hobby Lobby, really inexpensive. I am using the Core Products catalog for August, as are all the rest of the sisters this time around, to show you different ways to use the products that are in the catalog. So I'm on page 101. Get rid of my little sticky here. So what I am using is, this is our digital art. I love our digital art. You can buy them each separately and they're $1 a piece, or you can buy the bundle, which is only $12. You get all 12 of them and there's no shipping and it's instant delivery. Now, it is designed for putting on the front of your photo albums, cutting things like this is this border right here. You can cut them with paper, you can cut them with vinyl, use them in your scrapbooking. But what I decided to do was do the canvas art and to make something to hang up here in my office. And I learned a lot. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So let me show you what I did. I used the floral wreath and I used family blessings. I think I'm going to make another one and use this subway art. I love subway art. So I'll have a link down below to the new catalog so you can look at those a little closer. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. So I'll show you, excuse me, I'm so sorry, allergies. Some of the things I learned, I should have, first and foremost, I should have measured better, because I measured it too wide, so I should have brought it in just a little bit. Now, the other thing I did was I made it more elongated, so it's more of an oval. And you can do that in Design Space. I use this on Cricut. These SVG files can be used on any cutting machine you may have, whether it's a Cricut or a Brother Scan and Cut or a Silhouette. It works in all of them because they are SVGs. So a couple things I learned. I should have painted my canvas. When you paint the canvas with some acrylic paint, it makes it easier for the vinyl to stick to it. Or I could have used that super extra strong vinyl that Cricut sells. So there's that. I just used the regular vinyl. It's not staying down, but I think it'll be okay. I'm going to keep pushing on it. Put a book behind it, because this is, kind of, it's not the same height. Put a book underneath it, and I'll be able to squish that down a little further. And then something else that I learned, don't use off-brand transfer tape. The transfer tape I used was hideous. It took me so long to get the transfer tape off of the vinyl to get it down. So learn from me, use good transfer tape, and use good vinyl. I am using Cricut vinyl, but I would either use the heavy duty, super sticky, I forget what it's called, extra strong, something like that, vinyl, or paint this before. So I am really excited to play some more with vinyl. I've made a few things for my granddaughter. I've done some shirts and things like that, but I haven't done a whole bunch of vinyl. So this is new to me, and this was a twist. So let me show you, I want to show you some other ideas I had with using this. I really like the moments we share, the moments we keep, and this little camera. What I was thinking was cut this camera background out. Let me give you a closer view. Cut this camera background out on just something that you can stencil with, either some heavy cardstock or some stencil material, and then stencil these cameras in a really, really light gray onto a canvas. Then cut out the camera and cut out the memories we share are the memories we keep, and then attach it all to the canvas. I thought that would look really nice with these cameras in the background, just sort of like a, you're just barely seeing it, but you're not sure. And then I just thought that would be very, very cute together. And like I said, I want to go ahead and do this on a canvas. I think it would also look really nice like they did here on the front of one of the albums. I think that what it says would work really well with an album cover. So you can use it exactly how it's designed, but I really wanted to do something decorative for my house. I have, you know, a lot of cards and photo album pages and things like that, but I wanted something that I could display and put up. And another idea is with a Cricut anyway, you can personalize this and put the family name in it. This particular wreath was really easy to work with. It weeded really, really easily. I was really surprised at that. This was actually harder to weed than the wreath was. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a short one for you today. And I would just ask that you please check out the playlist down below to watch the rest of the Twisted Sisters. There will be 2 videos, I believe, a day posted starting yesterday. So I'm on the 2nd day. So check out the playlist down below and go check out everyone and let them know that you came from my video. And I thank you all for being here today. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love it if you would hit that red subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.